In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy a domain on Godaddy.com. To start, you can either click the link in the description or you can type in buyhassle.com/Godaddy. This will then bring you to the homepage of Godaddy. Then straight away, we can type in the domain name we want. And I would always recommend to go in here with a domain name that you already have in mind. So the domain name that I have in mind is called Studio Hassle. So I'll simply type it in right here and then click Search Domain. And as you can see, the domain name studiohassle.com is available for $5 for the first year. We also have studiohassle.net, .info, .store. And if your desired domain name, for example, .com, isn't available right here, we can also scroll down and see more options. For example, they put a dash in the middle. Hassle.studio is even a possibility, studiohassle.design. So you can get the desired domain name that you're actually looking for. Now, I'm lucky here. As I said, the domain name that I want, .com, is already available. So I can simply click Make It Yours. And now it has been added to the cart. So then we can go to Looks Good, Keep Going. Then it's going to ask us to create an account. Now we can either make an account right here, log in with an existing account, or click sign in later, which is what I'm going to do right here. And then from here we can customize our order, and we're going to have a lot of add-ons that we don't necessarily need. Now the first thing, you might have heard of this, is domain protection. Now this basically means that when people try to search your domain in a register, that your address and your name and all your information won't show up because you're the owner of the domain name. However, this is already built in by a standard order, so I would highly recommend to untick this box because it's going to save you about $12 a year that you don't really need. Then, in case you need an email address, for example, Microsoft 365, you could select these options right here. For me, it's not really necessary, and you can also set this up for free, so I'm going to select no professional email. And then as you can see down here, the free domain privacy protection I talked about earlier is already included in your domain name. Now, as you can see, my total price is just $5, which is really cheap. Then I can simply click Continue to Cart. And this is then where I can create my account. And this is then where I want to fill in my billing information and make the payment. And now I will simply make the payment. And now I click Complete Purchase. And there we go, we now got the confirmation of the order that we received our domain name. Now what we can do, we can simply click continue, and now you can check your email where you will receive your invoice. Now we can give some more information about our business, and honestly this is really not that important, so I just click continue. Right here we simply click not now. And also GoDaddy is really going to try to push you into their website builder, which I would really not recommend, and it's really bad. I would prefer something like Shopify or WordPress. So we click not now again. We got all of these upsells, click not now again, not now again, and then as well not now right here. And once again we click not now. And there we go, we now went through the entire process, and what we can simply do right now is go to domains on the left where you can find your domain. And here is the domain name. So studiohassle.com, renews on October 1st next year. And this is pretty much it. Now you can link your domain name to website builders like Shopify, Wix, or WordPress because the domain is yours. Now if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.